Using AI tools is amazing until they start driving you crazy. And believe me, they will at some point. Today, I'm breaking down the 3 biggest headaches Grace and I run into with CapCut, ElevenLabs, and InVideo AI, and exactly how we fix them fast. I run a faceless YouTube channel. Grace, my virtual assistant, is the reason we actually stay on schedule and don't drown in editing chaos. We rely on CapCut, ElevenLabs, and InVideo AI almost every single day. These tools save us hours of work. But they also have quirks that can turn a simple project into a "why did I choose this career?" kind of day. Let's start with CapCut. If you're editing short, simple videos, it's a dream. Drag, drop, done. But here's the nightmare part. As soon as we work on a bigger project, multiple layers of high-res clips, sound effects, and transitions, CapCut starts to slow down. At first, it's just a little lag. Then, one wrong click, and crash. Grace and I have both had that awful moment where you look at each other over Zoom and say, "Did you save?" Sometimes the answer is no, and that's not a good feeling. Our fix? We stop treating CapCut like a heavyweight editor. Now, instead of editing one massive project, we break it into smaller, 1 to 2 minute chunks. We export each chunk, then stitch them together in a much lighter final project. The result? No more last-minute meltdowns, faster editing speed, and if one section gets corrupted, we only have to redo that part, not the whole video. Next up, ElevenLabs. Don't get me wrong, the voiceovers are incredible. They're realistic, versatile, and save us from having to hire a separate voice actor. But here's the thing, sometimes the pacing feels like it's in a hurry, or the emotion doesn't quite land where we want it. In the early days, I'd just regenerate the whole voiceover over and over again until I liked it. Guess what? That burned through our credits. Fast. Our solution? We started breaking scripts into shorter, logical chunks. Grace adds intentional pauses, things like ellipsis, or separating certain sentences into their own paragraphs, so ElevenLabs naturally delivers them at a human pace. We also listen to a preview once for pacing, make any changes offline, and only preview again when we're ready to finalize. This not only sounds better, but it also saves us a ton of credits every month. Finally, InVideo AI. It's brilliant for generating footage and B-roll automatically. The problem? If your prompts are vague, you'll end up with footage that's completely off. And you've just wasted credits on something you can't use. Early on, I'd type something like, "Create a clip of someone working on a laptop," and the AI would give me, well, a stock video of a person in a 1998 office on a desktop computer. Not exactly the vibe we were going for. The fix? Now, before we hit generate, Grace and I write very detailed, scene-by-scene descriptions. Instead of working on a laptop, we'll say, "A young professional, sitting at a modern desk with natural daylight coming from a window, typing on a silver laptop, soft background blur." The more we specify, the fewer regenerations we need, and the closer the result matches our vision on the first try. Here's the truth, every tool has limitations. But once you learn the quirks and create workarounds, those same tools can go from frustrating to indispensable. CapCut, ElevenLabs, and InVideo AI aren't perfect. But with the right strategy, they've become productivity superpowers for us. If you want more behind-the-scenes tips on how I run this channel with Grace and our AI toolkit, hit subscribe. We've made the mistakes so you don't have to, and if it means you get your videos out faster without the tech headaches, that's a win in my book. Hit subscribe and learn from our trial and error so you can work smarter, not harder. And watch this video next, CapCut, how we edit faster and make videos look better. Let's automate, delegate, and earn passively together.